Hi everybody, this is Janet Wright, and this is an introductory video where I'm introducing you to the concepts and healing techniques that I'm using in this triplet group energy healing set. And it's early June 2019, and the theme, there's a dual theme for these healings in this triplet set. And both of them are pretty major themes actually, but they fit together well, so that's why they're both in the same set. But the first part of it is healthy family boundaries, to help you have strong, healthy, appropriate boundaries with any family member. And it's like family members that you talk to, but also family members maybe you don't even talk to, you know, like, you know, your mother-in-law or, you know, somebody that, you know, just you never see, but it could be that they are kind of judgmental or invasive on a spirit level, and their energy is affecting you. So the healthy family boundaries part of this set will help with that. And I think too, the healthy family boundaries part of this set, it can help with boundaries with anybody too. I mean, you can use it both ways. So if you think you don't have boundary issues with family members, you can use it for boundary issues with other people too. Like maybe you're an overgiver or something, you know, in general. You could use the techniques that way. But anyway, so that's the first thing, is healthy family boundaries. And then the second part of it is conflict resolution. And that is a big deal. I think the more you do the type of work that I teach people, you know, like aura repair and stuff, and melting energy cords, and, you know, being intuitive as you do your energy work, you may realize that people have issues with you that maybe you didn't realize before, or you didn't know it was impacting you as much as it is. So I think people that have been doing my videos for a while could probably easily name, you know, the top 5 people that cord them and whack them on a weekly basis. You know, cord meaning creating energy cords from one of their chakras to one of yours. Whack meaning throw energy at you so that it might rip or tear your aura, or it might rip your aura, but you could have gold buffer zones and then you could repair your aura, right? But so conflict resolution is twofold the way I'm doing it, and there will be a video on it. It's a walkthrough, and it will have conflict resolution in the title. But anyway, it's in that video I'll walk you through very newbie friendly but cool and powerful techniques that help you to heal yourself, but also may help that person, we'll call it your conflict person, may help your conflict person to heal as well. And it respects their free will, you know, and everything. It's not like forced on them, but they may actually whack you less, which is, you know, yay. They may cord you less. They may be less invasive in general when you do these techniques. And there's a way in which you can clear out stuff that I'm calling in your conflict zone, this energetic space between you and that person. So that'll be in the video, conflict resolution. And like I said, it'll be a walkthrough and very newbie friendly. So, but it is, I would say, groundbreaking in that way. That it does more about addressing, you know, hey, you know, my mother or my mother-in-law, or, you know, this former, you know, so-and-so, an ex-friend, you know, throws energy at me every week. You know, what can I do? You know, because you can make yourself, you can get really good at healing and repairing your aura, but what else can you do? And so that would be the video, conflict resolution. It's here, you can do more. So yeah, so there, for this set, there's this intro video, and then there's 2 technique videos. One is more on the boundaries, you know, like you'll do flower healing that helps you with boundaries, flower healing on yourself, and insight healing. We'll do insight flower healing too on yourself, so you have more insight about your patterns of conflict and your boundary issues. So that'll be the, I'm gonna call that one the, probably it'll have flower healing in the title, and also family boundaries will be in the title on that one. Although you can use it for boundaries in general. So yeah, so this intro, the conflict resolution video, and also the family boundaries / flower healing video. But really there's a lot of flower healing in both technique videos of this set, but there's more as well. So hi to all the 80 participants. I was very excited. I really did want 80 for this one. I mean, sometimes I'm like, okay, Janet, chill out, whatever, it is what it is, you know, however many people, you know, overcome their inertia to go for it. But this one, I just thought, you know, healthy family boundaries and conflict resolution, I just felt like, oh my gosh, this could help so many people, you know? So I really wanted to max out the number of what I can do, what's healthy for me to do, because I wanted to help more people with this. I mean, like, who doesn't need these topics, you know, healthy boundaries and, you know, conflict resolution. And I would encourage you to go for it and really try the conflict resolution stuff, even if you're sure, like, oh, nobody's angry at me, you know, because you can do that type of healing work even with people you get along with. I mean, that video, it'd be fine to do with, you know, your neighbor or your friend or just somebody that you feel things are a little weird with. You know, it doesn't have to be with someone that, you know, is like hacking through your aura every week. It can just be with, you know, people you want to have even better relationships with. That could be interesting too. So there's a lot of application for both of the technique videos of this set. And of course, to learn more, you have to watch the videos. So I guess that's it. It's a very brief little intro. Well, the general work that we did, you know, because it's like we did the conflict resolution work, we did the family boundaries work, but of course, roughly the first third of the video was on general healing, unblocking, and repair work, which is what all the sets have. And this one we did bottle brush technique for the chakras to unblock all the chakras, which is cool. And you know, I always get confused, like, okay, which video has what? I think Get Present in 20 Minutes is the one that has bottle brush technique in it, and all the other stuff, the aura repair and, you know, yada yada. So I'll put that in the playlist, just Get Present in 20 Minutes, because I think that's the one that most closely represents all that I did in the first part of the healing. But also that Get Present in second and first chakras video, that is as nice, you know, if you're trying to get in all your chakras and be in all your chakras as much as possible, that Get Present in 20 minutes, the Get Present in second and first chakras video is good for that. But we did all that in this healing, you know, it's basically like extra work on the inner 2 layers for emotions and courage and safety and abundance, and extra healing on those 2 chakras for second and first chakra. But anyway, we did a lot of general work, but I think that Get Present in 20 Minutes video, also the 7th and 3rd chakra tune-up video probably helps to sum up all that general work that I do at the start. So I'll probably throw that in the playlist too. But if you're a newbie and you're hearing this stuff, I guess what I would say is I'll follow up right after this intro video. I'll put that unblock and repair aura, unblock grounding repair aura video, the 10-minute one. That's the daily minimum that I would suggest for people to do every day to feel good. I'll put that right after this intro. And then, you know, you could just dabble, like do 1 or 2 of the other videos in the playlist. You don't have to do all the videos, you know, it's not like, you know, because I think sometimes people get a little compulsive or something about it. Like sometimes, you know, you just geek out and you're having a blast doing all the videos, and that's great. But I think every once in a while, there's somebody that kind of misunderstands and they don't want to do all the videos, but they think they should. And so they get into this weird head game with themselves. So please, no head games, okay? Do what you're gonna do and feel good about it. All right. So thanks so much for listening. I think you guys are awesome, caring about your energy and caring about actually healing yourself. Because as I've told like at least 2 clients in the last couple days, you know, life is too rough to outsource all of your healing, you know, to other people. You know, I'm happy to heal people, and I heal a lot of very impressive advanced souls, you know, and I'm very proud to work with them. So there's no shame in getting healings from other people, for sure. But I just think that even regularly, you know, because these ones are very educational and, you know, they're fun and they kind of keep you up on new techniques and stuff. But I think to stop there and not to, you know, get good at healing yourself, you're doing yourself a real disservice, because life is, you know, life is challenging every day, you know, and I can't heal you every day. So I applaud all my clients who have, you know, taken that next step and at least a little bit or more and more and more are learning to heal themselves. I think it's impressive, and I hope it's paying off for you already in how you feel. All that noise and meowing, that's my cat Yo-Yo, and I think there's a moth in the house somewhere, so he's chasing the moth. Okay, take care everybody, and should I say anything about the next triplet set? The next one in late June is about intuition. So that's in 2 weeks, mid-late June. And then early July is about non-resistance. Early July 2019. And then late July is the healing masterclass, the first ever healing masterclass on positive change. So that's huge. And if you don't know what a healing masterclass is, that was announced and explained in the April 2019 news video. So I will put that video in the playlist for this set, or you could just find it on my channel, April 2019 news video. All right, so thanks so much for listening, and I hope to see you in one of the other videos, but if I don't, that's cool too, okay? Bye.